ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. And we have very clear that lift problem ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ we don't bother about direction of motion of the lift. We are thinking about only the direction of acceleration, not the direction of acceleration. Direction of acceleration ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ direction acceleration up, acceleration down ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು. We are calling it as acceleration up and acceleration down. Why? We are not specifying whether the body is retarding or accelerating. ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು acceleration ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ retard ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, we are not bothering about that. We are just thinking it whether the acceleration is up, a up, a down. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ತಾನೇ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವು. We worried only about this, a up and a down. If a up, apparent weight will be greater than the true weight, no doubt in this. If a is up, apparent weight will be greater than true weight, no doubt in this. If a down, apparent weight will be less than the true weight, no doubt in this. Correct? A up idaga apparent weight will be greater than true weight. A down idaga apparent weight will be less than true weight. If a is equal to g, n is equals to 0. There is no apparent weight. If a is equals to g, there is no a is equals to g, there is no apparent weight. Right?
Yes, sir.
If a is equals to g, no apparent weight. Right? Next, if a is equals to 0, if a is equals to 0, then there is no apparent weight. There will be apparent weight will be equal to true weight. N is equals to mg ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ. A is equals to 0 ಬಂದಾಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? A of n is equals to m of a plus g. A is equals to down m of g minus k. A is equals to 0, n is equals to mg. A is equals to g, n is equals to 0. ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So we will continue with that. We will continue the next part of that. So we have a concepts related to that. Whether the lift move from ground to bottom, first floor. ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಇಂದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಬಂದಾಗ what are the problems we get in our examinations? We have to check on that, right? Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Very good. ಒಬ್ಬನ ಹತ್ರ ಜೋಶ್ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು.
Yes, sir.
ಪ್ರಿಯ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Fine. So we'll start. The first problem is, the first case is when a lift is moving from ground to first floor. When a lift is moving from moving from ground to first floor. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. The lift is moving from ground floor to first floor. Ground floor to first floor. ನಾನು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ನ GF ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ನ FF ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. GF ಅಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದು. GF ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ವೆರಿ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್. ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ GF, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ FF. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗಿ, ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. It is a purely a conceptual. It's purely a conceptual. Concept ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If you don't know the concepts, you will not solve the problem in the examination. So listen to me carefully, right? Answer ಮಾಡಿ, careful ಆಗಿ answer ಮಾಡಿ. What happens when the lift is at ground floor? What happens when the lift is at ground floor? What happens for the velocity? Velocity ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ? ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. The lift is in the ground floor. What is the velocity of the lift now?
0.
ಏನಾದ್ರು ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ?
No, sir.
No, the velocity of the lift is equals to 0. If velocity is 0, acceleration is 0 na?
Yes.
If velocity is equals to 0, acceleration is also equals to 0. If acceleration is equals to 0, n is equals to m into g na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means at the ground floor, the lift will be having true weight. True weight. At the ground floor, the lift will be having true weight.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Listen to me now. It reaches the first floor. First floor reach ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. First floor reach ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ what is the velocity of the lift? What is the velocity of the lift? It started from ground floor and it has reaches the first floor. What is the velocity of the lift now?
Then also 0.
Then also 0.
Now also 0. Velocity is equals to 0. If velocity is equals to 0, acceleration is equals to 0. If acceleration is equals to 0, n is equals to mg. There, the lift will be having a true weight.
Yes, sir.
True weight. Apparent weight is equals to true weight. As example careful. In which position the apparent weight will be true weight in case of lift is moving from ground floor to first floor? It will be having at two positions. One is at the ground floor, another one is at the first floor.
First floor.
Done. Very good. First concept is done. Next, I divide the path into a two conditions. I divide the path into a two parts and corner. A to B ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, B to C ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Listen carefully and answer my questions. A to C, A to B, and B to C. Finally, it reaches from A to C. A to C ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. First, when it is moving from A to B, when it is moving from A to B, when it is moving from A to B, the lift is moving from ground to first floor.
Yes.
Velocity is in upward direction.
Yes, sir.
Sir. When it is moving from first floor to, sorry, when it is moving from ground floor to first floor, from A to B, the velocity is in upward direction.
Yes, sir.
Velocity upward direction, and velocity should increase or decrease?
Increase, sir.
Increase. Velocity should increase. Then only the body will move from ground floor to first floor. Correct? Velocity should increase. Let me write I and C and everything. Increase. If velocity want to increase, who need to support for this? Acceleration has to
Acceleration.
support. Then acceleration should be in upward direction. A should be upper. Correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you want to increase its velocity, then A should be up. A should be up. If A should be up, then n is equals to m of g plus a na. Means apparent weight is greater than true weight. Apparent weight is greater than true weight.
Yes.
When it is moving from A to B, apparent weight is greater than true weight. Any doubt with this? No doubt, sir.
No.
Very simple, sir. When it is moving from A to B, when it is moving from A to B, velocity is upward direction. Velocity is upward as well as velocity increasing. Velocity is increasing. If velocity is increasing, that should be supported by an acceleration. Therefore, acceleration is up. If acceleration is up, then apparent weight should be greater than true weight.
Yes.
Apparent weight should be greater than true weight. No doubt in this. Right? Observe from B to C. Observe from B to C. B to C, it is moving up. Velocity में लिया. Body is moving up है ना. Velocity is में लिया. Velocity
Yes,
is
sir.
moving up. Velocity is moving up. Whether the velocity increases or decreases here.
Decreases.
Decreases. Why it decreases? It should become
Zero.
zero. Zero ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ decrease ಆದ್ರೆ ತಾನೇ zero ಆಗೋದು. Velocity should decrease in this case. Velocity should decrease in this case. If velocity decreases, means acceleration should be retarded in opposite direction of velocity. Na?
Yes, sir.
Sir, superb. Acceleration should be opposite to the velocity now because it's decreasing in this direction. It is decreasing in this direction. Hence, acceleration should be opposite to that. Who is responsible for decreasing? Acceleration is responsible. Then acceleration should be downward. Correct, sir. In this region, apparent weight n is equals to m of g minus
G minus A.
G minus a. Here, apparent weight is less than
Less than true weight.
true weight. Apparent weight is less than true weight. Any doubt with this? If you understand this, you have to plot a graph. We'll get graphical questions here. You'll get graphical questions based on this. Lift is moving from ground to first floor, or first floor to ground floor. ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೆಯೋಣ. A to B ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು? What happens in A to B? A to B, lift is moving up. Lift is moving up. Super. Lift is moving up, and velocity increasing. Velocity increasing. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಭಾಷೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಣ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. A to B ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್, therefore acceleration is upward. Therefore acceleration is upward, correct? Therefore acceleration is upward. That is n is equals to m of g plus e. Meaning agidya idu saakalva istu. Lift is moving up, velocity increases, acceleration is upward, then m is equals to g plus e. B to C. What happened from B to C? Check my lift is moving up enough. Lift is moving up and velocity ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? What happened for velocity here?
Decrease.
Decreasing. Velocity is decreasing in this case. Velocity decrease means acceleration is downward. Acceleration is downward. If acceleration is downward, therefore n is equals to m of g minus a. M of g minus a. Make a note on this. We will plot a graph based on this. If you have doubt, you can
ಸರ್ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಎ ಇಂದ ಬಿಗ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು
ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕಂದ
ಸರ್ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಬಿ ಟು ಸಿ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಎ ಟು ಬಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಾಡಿ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು? ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುನ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು? ನೆವರ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ increases means acceleration should be along that, correct?
Sir.
Velocity increase and the acceleration should be along that. Velocity decrease agಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ acceleration should act opposite to that.
Yes sir.
Correct. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ. ಇಂದ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ನೀನ್ ಬೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಟರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್.
ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಬಾಡಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಮೋಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಟರ್ ಬೇಕಾ? ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾಯಿ ಅಡ್ಡ ಬಂತು, ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀಯ, ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾಯಿ ಅಡ್ಡ ಬಂತು, ಅವಾಗ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಟರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಟರ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಸರ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಸರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಟಾಪ್
ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
Yes sir.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. Shall we move to graph plot ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ, ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ?
ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. So ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ, what is the case now? We have to plot V versus T graph. This is graph number 1. V versus T graph na plot ಮಾಡೋಣ. What happens? I'll ನೋಡಿ, observe ಮಾಡಿ. A to B region age velocity is increasing, so it apart. A to B region velocity is increasing. Then B to C region velocity is decreasing. So it apart. Correct. So here acceleration is upward, here acceleration is downward. Correct. Acceleration is upward, n is equals to m of g plus a. Acceleration is downward, n is equals to m of g minus e. Correct. So that this will be a theta 1 and this will be a theta 2. To find out acceleration na find out ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ a1, let me call it as a1 and let me call it as a2. a1 na calculate ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ we use a formula tan theta 1. Why tan theta? We know that slope of VT graph is acceleration. Slope of VT graph is acceleration. If VT graph slope nanga acceleration barutte. A1 is equals to tan theta 1. With the help of tan theta 1, I can find out the value of A1. Similarly, if I want to find out A2, A2 is equals to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Tan theta 2 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? A2 is equal to tan theta 2. Observe the graph. Initially, the velocity increases, acceleration is upward. Therefore, n is equals to m of g plus a. Then acceleration downwards. N is equals to g of n is equals to m of g minus a. Done? Any
Done, sir.
doubt? No doubt.
ಸರ್ ತೀಟಾ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ ಸರ್?
Tan theta. Theta value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ theta value substitute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Theta value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. For suppose ಇಲ್ಲಿ value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is 10 ಅನ್ಕೋಣ. This is 10 meter per second square. ಇದು 5 second ಅಲ್ಲಿ. 10 by 5 is equal to A.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
10 by 5 is equals to A. So if they give the value of theta, I can find out the A directly. Direct find out ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. If theta is equals to 45, then A is equals to 1. Direct find out ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. If they give the value of y-axis and x-axis, I can find out the value of A. A find out ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Right? This is one possibility of that. Second possibility ಇದೆ lift ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. Observe ಮಾಡಿ. Lift ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ sudden ಆಗಿ increase ಆಯ್ತು, then decrease ಆಯ್ತು. There is one more possibility. Observe carefully, listen to me, look at me. Lift increases its velocity. Lift increases its velocity up to here. From here, it may move with constant velocity up to here. Then it will decreases its velocity. Chances ಇದೆ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ repeat ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. What is the chance we have? We have one more case. What is that case? ಅಂದಾಗ lift moves with velocity, increases its velocity. When it reaches at certain height, it may move with constant velocity for some time. Correct? It may move with constant velocity. Then it may decreases its velocity. ಈ ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, so ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಇವಾಗ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. We'll write that in our graph. VT graph. So increases its velocity, then velocity will be constant, then decreases. Correct anda? Increases its velocity, constant, then decreases. Let me call it as A1. A1 ali A1 is upward. A1 is upward. Let me call it as theta 1 and let me call it as theta 2. Illi A2 is equals to obviously 0. A2 is obviously 0 because there is no there is then it is 0. A3 is moving down. A3 is down. Correct? So at this region, O, A, B, C region ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, OA region ಅಲ್ಲಿ A1 is up. OA region ಅಲ್ಲಿ A1 is up. Therefore, N is equals to M of G plus A na? Right, sir. E region ಅಲ್ಲಿ A is 0. A2 is equals to 0. Therefore, N is equals to M into G. Superb, sir. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಣ. A3 is moving down. A3 is down. N is equals to M of G minus A3. Yeah, man. Correct?
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್.
Correct? Remember this graph. This is very important. Graphical method questions irutte nimge. This graph is very important. Make a note on this. We'll take an example or we will take a question based on this. Any doubt kanda? Very important. You have to remember very seriously. While moving up, A1 is up. A2 is 0. A3 is down. Initially A up, then 0, then down. Up, 0, down. When it is moving up. ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಒತ್ತಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to remember this while solving a problem. When it is moving up, 0, down. Up, 0, down. ಯಾವುದು? A. I don't want velocity now. I don't want the direction of the momentum of the body now. I need only A now. Up, 0, down. Can you remember from when it is moving from ground to first?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Up, 0, down. Otherwise, up, down. A up, A down. What about others? Any doubt related to this concept?
No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
We'll take a question now. Try to solve this question. A man of 50 kg. A man of 50 kg. A man of 50 kg is standing inside on a weighing machine which is moving up, with the underline word, which is moving up. They will give like this, which is moving up. Find or calculate n1, n2 and n3, and also find n1 is to n2 is to n3. And also find n1 is to n2 is to n3. Graph is like this. Velocity time graph. Ten, 0, 5, 10, 20. So this is a case. So this is what they are asking in the examination. They have given a graph such a way that initially it is moving up. They are telling moving up. The lift is moving up. The person is standing inside a lift which is moving up. So here the lift is moving up, and then it becomes constant with velocity acceleration. This acceleration will be 0 here, and again the acceleration is downward. Means velocity increases, constant decreases. This is the graph they have given, and I have to find out n1, n2, n3, and also find out n1 is to n2 is to n3. Done? Shall we start solving based on this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Listen to me now. Let me rewrite this graph again. V versus T. So here, so here the position is 10 meter per second. And here the time is 5 seconds. This is 0. Let me write it as second. This is meter per second. So 10 meter per second, 5 seconds, and here it is 10 seconds, and here it is 20 seconds. Listen to me here. When the lift is moving up, A1 upward,
Yes, sir.
A2 0 na, A3 moving down. Let me find out the value of A1, A2, A3 first. A1, A2, A3 find out first.
ಸರ್ A1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ N1 ಅಲ್ವಾ?
A1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ N1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. We'll get N1.
ಸರಿ ಸರ್.
Let me find A1, A2, A3 first. A1 is equals to, fast direct ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, 10 divided by 5.
Sir.
10 divided by 5 na, 10 divided by 5 na, A1 10 by 5. So that is equals to 2 meter per second square. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. From here to it is 10 na, ಇದು 5 ಇದೆಯಾ? So perpendicular divided by base is tan theta na. Theta is here, perpendicular divided by base, perpendicular is 10 and base is 5. 10 by 5 is equals to 2 meter per second square. A1 is calculated. A2 0. No doubt in this. A2 is 0. A3, don't write sign at the don't write sign, just write the magnitude of this. In the perpendicular
10 by 10, 1 meter per second.
10. So 10 by 10 is equals to 1 meter per second square. 1 meter per second square.
ಸರ್ A2 ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
A2 diagram ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್. A2 ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೇನಾದ್ರು? Do we have any slope here? No.
ನೋ ಸರ್.
Or else A2 is equals to ನೋಡು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಇದೆ divided by 0 ಇದೆ, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ 0 ಇದೆ, divided by 5n 5, 10 minus 5. So it is equals to 0 na?
Okay, sir.
A to 0. Slope illa A to 0, don't take tension. Let me calculate n1. n1 is equals to m of g plus a1. M is 50, g is 10 plus 2, 12. So therefore it is equal to 600 Newton. 600 Newton. N2 is equals to m into g. M is 50 and g is 10. So that is equals
500
to
Newton.
So N3.
M into G minus A.
M into G minus A. So M is 50 and G is 10 minus 1, 9. So that is equal to 45, 450 Newton. 450 Newton. So moral of the story, very serious. I should know whether acceleration is up or down to calculate an answer. Up, down, ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ we can do very easily.
ಸರ್ n1 ನಲ್ಲಿ 50 into 10 ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ 6 ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್ ಅದು
12 g plus 8 10 plus 2 12 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ కదా 10 plus a1 is 2 12 ಆಯ್ತು m into g minus a no mute ಮಾಡಿ ಇದರ fine. So first part of the work is done. Then I have to find out n1 is to n2 is to n3 now. How to find n1 is to n2 is to n3? Respond ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ what happened.
Yes sir. 600 is to 500 is to 450 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
n1 is to n2 is to n3. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್. n1 is to n2 is to n3 ನಲ್ಲಿ m ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ n1 is to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ g plus a1 ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತಾ m ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ is to g minus a m ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇದಸ್ ಬಂದರಂಗೆ 12 is to 10 is to 9 we cannot further divide so we will keep as it is 12 10 9 m cancel ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು n1 is to n2 is to n3 if you write like this it is equals to m of g plus a1 is to mg is to m of g minus a. So this m get cancelled. Divide again. Cancel. Any doubt in this, sir?
No, sir.
No?
Sir, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 600 is to 500 is to 450 ನ simplest value ಇಂದ divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ I have taken out m ತಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ I have taken out m ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ 600 into 500 into 50 ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.
Yes, sir.
Taken it out. Very good. Shall we go to next kind of question? Observe ಮಾಡಿ. What they may change in this question? They may change the value of this. Correct? Concepts are simple. If they change the values and give you can solve very easily. Values change ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Problem is very simple now. We know the concept behind that.
ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ n1 and n2 ಅಂತ
Sir,
ಇದ್ರೆ
video
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್
break
ನ
ಆಗ್ತಾ
ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್
ಇದೆ.
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
Problem ಅಂತಾರೆ. Yes, simple.
ಸರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ n1 and n2 ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
n1 n2 ಇಲ್ಲ they will
ಇದೇ
give the
ಗ್ರಾಫ್.
graph. They will give the graph. Question ಅಲ್ಲೇ graph ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Don't take tension. It is there in the question itself. This graph will be given in the question, right?
Yes, sir.
Graph will be given in the question. With the help of this graph, I have to find out n1, n2, n3, and n1 is to n2 is to n3. Right? Into the ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ಸರ್ ಯಾಕೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಅವಾಗ್ಲೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ.
ಹೌದಾ? Fine, no problem. Network only problem. Don't take things, right? If they ask you to find out the tension and the tension mother. If they ask you to find out tension, what do you do? Instead of n, you'll write t. Instead of n, you write t. T ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು. Tension find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ don't take tension. N is itself a tension. N itself is a tension. Tension in the string. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Tension in the rope. ಈ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ರೋಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೋಪ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ n in each cases. That is the tension. When it is moving up, the tension is 600. When it is moving with constant velocity, its tension is 500. When it is moving with decreasing velocity, its tension is 450. Done? Tension find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ just same formula you can find out. Shall we move to second case? When lift is moving from first floor to ground floor. Shall we move to second case? Lift is moving from first floor to ground floor. Shall we start? Observe ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ because it's ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. It looked like a contrast. Listen to me carefully. Lift from first floor to ground floor. First floor to ground floor. Lift from first floor to ground floor. This lift. ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? First floor ಇದೆ. And it has to move to GM. Observe. E position ಅಲ್ಲಿ. What is the velocity at this position? What is the velocity of the lift at this position?
0.
0. If V is 0, A is equal to 0, na? If A is 0, N is equals to mg, na? No doubt in this. No doubt in this. When it reaches the ground floor, what is the velocity? Again it is 0.
Then also 0.
Yes.
A is equals to 0. Therefore, N is equals to mg. ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ true weight is equals to apparent weight. And apparent weight is equals to true weight in both the cases, right? Let me divide this into two parts. Let me divide this into two parts. This is A, this is B, and this is C now. When it is moving from A to B, when a lift is moving from A to B, what is the direction of velocity? Downward. Careful answer ಮಾಡಿ. Careful answer ಮಾಡಿ. What is the velocity? Direction downward. Downward. Very good. Whether the velocity increases or decreases? Whether
Increases, sir.
increases.
Increases, sir.
Increases. I'm speaking about from A to B. Increases. If velocity want to increase, what is the direction of A?
Along the
Upward.
direction of acceleration.
Upwards.
Along the velocity. Upward or downward?
Upwards.
What is the direction of velocity? Acceleration. Acceleration ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ? It should be downward.
Downwards.
Downward, because velocity is increasing in this direction. Velocity is increasing in this direction. Therefore, acceleration is accelerating. Accelerating means it should be in this direction.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And everybody will
Yes, sir.
present here. Acceleration should be in this direction. Therefore, n in this case is equals to n is equals to m of g minus a naught. That means true weight, sorry, apparent weight will be less than true weight initially. Initially, apparent weight is less than true weight. Next, careful answer. B to C. B to C. Still velocity is in this direction, means lift is moving downward. Still velocity in this direction, lift is moving downward. Whether the velocity increases or decreases in this
Decreases, sir.
Decreases.
Decreases.
decreases because it's want to become 0 here. Decreases.
Acceleration upward.
Then acceleration should be upward.
Yes, sir.
And acceleration should be upward. This is moving in this direction. Velocity is in this direction. Therefore, acceleration is upward because velocity is decreasing. Velocity decreasing, therefore acceleration upwards. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this?
No doubt, sir.
ಡೌಟ್ ಸರ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಟು ಬಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್ ಎ ಟು ಬಿ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ lift move downward velocity increasing acceleration is downward therefore n is equals to m of g minus a n is equals to m of g minus a. Sir, we have a formula this, it depends only on a, not on b. Down neighborly, we will not bother about that. Acceleration is down. A down means we have a formula n is equals to m of g minus a. Next, b to c, still lift moving down. Lift moves downward and velocity decreasing A is upward. Therefore, n is equals to m of g plus e. Any questions related to this? Any questions related to this? Any doubt related to this? No, sir. And there may be one more possibility. It will move with increasing velocity up to some point, and it may having constant velocity, then it decreases its velocity. We have a possibility of this also. While writing a graph, we'll write both the graphs. I'll repeat what I have written. At first floor, velocity is 0, acceleration 0, therefore apparent weight is equals to true weight. At ground floor, velocity is 0, acceleration is 0, then therefore apparent weight is equals to true weight. When it is moving from A to B, acceleration is downward, therefore apparent weight is less than true weight. When it is moving from B to C, acceleration is up, therefore apparent weight is greater than true weight. Apparent weight is greater than apparent weight is less than true weight. Shall we plot a graph? Observe.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Observe. Observe ಮಾಡಿ. Same graph ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರು. Same graph ಬರುತ್ತೆ. What is from A to B? A to B, velocity increasing. From B to C, velocity is decreasing. A to B, velocity is increasing, but acceleration is downward. Acceleration is downward. A to B, velocity is increasing, but acceleration downward. B to C, velocity is decreasing, but acceleration is upward. So this is theta 1 and this is theta 2. So theta 1 can be calculated by using formula tan theta 1. A1 can be calculated by using formula tan theta 1, and A2 can be calculated by using formula tan theta 2. And illy n is equals to m of g minus a. Illy n is equals to m of g plus a. Any doubts, sir?
No, sir.
No doubt.
No, sir. This is first graph. And second graph is what? How I will get a second graph? B versus P. V versus T. Velocity increases, constant decreases. Velocity increases, constant decreases. Here, A1, upward or downward? A1, upward or
Downward.
downward. So, very serious don't get confused from there to here. A2 is equals to 0 na? A3 is upward. So, N1, A1 is upward, therefore, A1 is downward, therefore, N is equals to G minus A.
Yes.
In this region, N is equals to mg. In this region, A3 is upward, therefore, N is equals to m of G plus A3. So what you have to remember is this: when it is moving down, acceleration down, constant up, down, constant up. When it is moving down, down, constant up. When it is moving up, up, constant down.
Down.
There is little bit difference between moving up and down. Up ಮತ್ತೆ down ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ A is down, ಅಲ್ಲಿ A is up. ಇಲ್ಲಿ A0, ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ A0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ A is moving up, A is up, ಅಲ್ಲಿ A is down. Shall we take a problem based on this? Confusion ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ up ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಕೆಲಸ ಹೋಯ್ತು. They will not give the arrow mark of A arrow mark ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, it is moving from first floor to ground floor, or moving down ಅಂತಾರೆ. Moving down or moving up, question will be something like this: a lift is moving down, a lift is moving up. Then you have to understand and write the direction of A. Up or down ಅವಾಗ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Shall we take a question based on this? Example based on this. Let me take like this: a lift of 1000 kg. A lift of 1000 kg. Lift of 1000 kg. Moving down. Moving downward. Calculate tension in the cable. Calculate the tension in the cable. Graph hingirutte. They have given graph like this. Same graph ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. We will take the same graph what we have written in the last. Five, 10 second, 20 second, and here it is 10 meter per second. It is good. This is A1, A2, A3. You have to find out the tension in the cable. You have to calculate the tension in the cable. Cable is tension of find out. Right. So if you have written the question, listen to me carefully. I'll rewrite the graph again. So idu 10 meter per second is no problem. This is 5. This is 10 second and this is 20 second. No doubt in this. Time is the velocity. Observe carefully. Lift is moving down. Lift is moving down means A1 should be up or down. Lift is moving down. A1 up or down irutta? Down irutte. A2 is 0. A3 is up. Opposite to this. Don't take things. How to remember, sir? Hang ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ sir. Up ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, down ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ simple thing. Down to up. Down to up. A up, 0 down. Up, 0 down. Down to up. Up to down. Up to down. Down.
Zero up.
Down, 0 up. One ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Don't take tension. So while writing, we should be very careful. Correct ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Up ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ up, 0 down. Up, 0 down. Up. Initially up. Down. ನೆನಪಿರುತ್ತಾ? ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ನೆನಪಾದ್ರೆ you can write this position very easily. Up, down. ಯಾವಾಗ up ಇರುತ್ತೆ? When it is moving up, A is up. When it is moving down, this A is down. When it is moving up, A1 is up. When it is moving down, A1 is down. Very simple. Find out the value of A1, A2, A3. A1 is equals to 2 meter per second square. No doubt in this. We already calculated. A2 is equals to 0. A3 is equals to 1 meter per second square. They are asking us to find out the tension. As I told, tension is equals to M of G minus A, because A is moving down. A is moving down. Therefore, M is 1000 into 10 minus 2 is 8. So that is equal to 8000 Newton.
8,000 Newton.
When it is moving down, the tension in the cable is 8000 Newton. When it is moving with constant velocity,
10,000 Newton.
10,000 Newton. When it is moving with constant velocity, 10,000 Newton. When it is moving with decreasing velocity, M of G plus A, 11,000.
11,000 Newton.
1000 into 11, so that is equals to 11,000. So moral of the story, if you know the direction A, up or down or we can solve very easily. Any doubt in this, sir?
No doubt, sir.
Very
No
simple
doubt.
ಆಗಿದೆ. Logic thinking ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. If I know the direction of A, we will do. If you forget to write the direction here, ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. A, up, down, find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ first. First you find out up or down. No doubt, sir. Very good. Find out first up or down. So based on that we can calculate. Right, sir?
Yes, sir.